Hey everyone, welcome to Galvic Tips, and in this today video I will show you how you can download a profile picture of any user from Instagram by using Python. It is very easy to implement this trick, so here I open my Instagram account. As you see here, this is Instagram which I open in my Chrome browser, and this is my username, and this is a profile pic of my Instagram ID. So what I have to do here, I am just downloading this profile pic on my local computer disk by using this username. Now comes to the PyCharm IDE and let's start programming. First we have to create one Python file. For that, just go to Winv folder, right click on it, then go to new and select Python file and click on it. Now you can give any name to it. I am giving here profile underscore download and just press enter. Now your Python file has been created successfully. Before start coding, first you have to download one Python library that's name is installer, and if you don't know how to download Python library, then you should watch my this video first, then come here. Now I started to writing the code. So in the first line I am writing import installer. We have to import this library because by using installer we can directly download someone Instagram profile pic very easily. On a second line, create one variable bot equals to installer dot installer method. Here we are calling the installer method, and this is our line number 2. On a third line, create one another variable username equals to double quotes, and inside this variable we have to write a Instagram username. For that, just go to Instagram, copy the username of the user which you want to download profile pic and simply paste here. Now our third line is completed. On a fourth line, write print statement, print bot dot download underscore profile method, and inside this method we have to pass two argument. The first one is the username and the second one is profile underscore pic underscore only equals to true. So what happened here, we are calling download underscore profile method, and by using username we can download only profile pic, that's why we are assign it true. Now I am writing one more print statement, print download successfully. Now the fifth one lies is only for our confirmation. We don't need to write this line, but only for our satisfaction we can write it. Now before executing this program, take a one look of my Instagram profile pic. Now just run this program by simply clicking on this run button. And in the terminal side, as you see, our program has been successfully executed. Now it gives us a store ID for profile take our codes. The another one is the profile pic in the JPG format, and this is the fifth line we are writing in a program, that is print statement download successfully. Now I will show you where your profile pic has been downloaded or located on your local computer disk. Just follow this path. First open my files, then go to C drive, double click on it, then click on user, then go to this folder and find here PyCharm project folder. Once you find it, then click on it, then choose your project folder where you create your current Python file, and inside this go to Winv, and here you can see that there is a takeout folder has been created automatically. Just open this, and inside this folder you will see the profile pic of Instagram user. So as you see, this is the profile pic of my Instagram ID. Just compare this profile pic with the original one, and you will be observed that the both profile pic has been look exactly same. So this is the program of 5 lines of code for downloading a profile pic of any user from Instagram by using Python. I hope you will be understand this video, and if you really like my this video, then definitely subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.